Good morning, students. In our last period, we had learned about biogeochemical cycle. I hope understand you. Now today's discussion, the carbon cycle. What is meant by carbon cycle? The circulation and recycling of carbon from the atmosphere to living organisms, and after their death back to atmosphere is called as carbon cycle. In this definition, circulation and recycling is a very important word. And lastly, death back to atmosphere is also very important, and it is supported of atmosphere. So in this carbon cycle working in circulation as well as recycling and the supported of the death back to atmosphere. So it is working together same as the food chain, because food chain in the firstly are the producer are important, lastly decomposer are important, same as that is the circulation of the carbon cycle. Now next, in this carbon cycle working the 4 steps. First steps, carbon enters the atmosphere as a carbon dioxide. Second step, carbon is absorbed by autotrophs such as the green plants. Third step, animals consume plants, thereby incorporating carbon into their system. And fourth step, animals and plants die, their bodies decompose and carbon is reabsorbed back into atmosphere. The fourth step of carbon cycle. Now, in the following diagram, we are going to explain the carbon cycle in brief. Carbon enters the atmosphere as a carbon dioxide from respiration and the combustion. Carbon dioxide is absorbed by producer, that is plants and other autotrophs, to make a glucose in this photosynthesis. Decomposer break down the dead organisms and return the carbon into bodies to the atmosphere as a carbon dioxide by the respiration. So in this the carbon cycle are there working. The carbon cycle is important of the abiotic and biotic. Abiotic carbon atoms are circulated and recycled into biotic form mainly through photosynthesis and respirations. Hence, the carbon cycle is one of the very important biogeochemical cycle. The carbon cycle is after the death, all types of consumers are decomposed by the decomposers like bacteria and fungi, and carbon dioxide is released again into the atmosphere. And carbon dioxide is released into atmosphere and is used again by living organism. In this way, carbon is continuously passed on from one living organism to another. After the death of living organism, carbon goes to atmosphere and it is again taken up by living organisms. In this figure, carbon dioxide in atmosphere In the figure, carbon dioxide in atmosphere, organic compounds means plants are converted into coal, and organic compounds, the animals, are inorganic carbonates, petroleum, as well as the decomposition on the in atmosphere. Carbon dioxide in atmosphere in carbonates in water, after that converted into limestone. Stop the today's session. Thank you.